So we're working late because we're running behind because I cut out too many spiders in disguise, as I do. But we had air conditioning installed here over the past couple weeks. We got the power on and we are using them, which is freaking awesome because we're not sweating. But my nibbling JC had the best idea. I want to show you. It's got spider eyes, googly eyes. Try to think of a name because we have 3 of these and they are my best friends. So if you've got any suggestions for our little air conditioner bro, let us know in the comments. Yay!